Speedy Mould Removal at another dry fogging project. What we have here is a daycare center. They gave us a call regarding a real musty odor in here, and when we did an inspection we found that there's mold in all the window frames here. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean all the windows, remove the mold, and then we're going to dry fog out the entire space with our Halo dry fogging machine. And what that's going to do is it's going to eliminate any airborne spores and also help with the eliminating the musty odor. So what we need to do is place a couple of these chemical indicator strips throughout the space, and when these turn purple, kind of like a chlorine indicator for a pool, what we do is we place these, it's got a little strip on the end, and I place them in periodic spaces throughout the area. For instance, I'll place one over here in this corner, facing up. I'll place them throughout the area, and when they turn dark purple, I know that the area has been fully dry fogged, disinfected, and then we let the fog dwell for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we open up all the windows and doors and allow it to dry out, and people will be good to enter in here in about 4 hours after that. Okay, I'm all set up here to get the dry fogging started. We have it all set up, and I'm going to set the Halo machine for 25 minutes. And then I'm going to put my mask on and get all suited up, and we'll show you what this looks like when it's on the go. Okay, all masked up. It's about to start. This process takes about 25 minutes. I'll be checking my chemical strips, and we're off to the races. Okay, it's starting up. Here we go. I'm going to put another chemical strip right here. Place it there. This is the farthest end of the daycare. And when that turns purple, I know that this area has been fully treated. Nice and dry, my hand's not even getting wet. Okay, just in the dwelling period. We got the dry fog down all the areas. The test strip has turned bright purple, which means it made it all the way down here. I'm just going to let it dwell for 30 minutes or so, and then we'll open everything up and let it air out.